sun's coming up, a signal to me. My battery's full and my spirit is between. I launch from my station, a flash and a zoom, on a mission to vanquish the destiny true. I'm a circle of science, a whirring white light, making the darkness surrender tonight. Morning alarm is a terrible sound. I flee from the noise that I hear all around. The mail through the slot is a mess on the floor. I tidy it up and go looking for more. A droid from a movie appear on the tile. I'm gobble them up and I'll do it with style. The dog sings a duet with his squeaky old toy. The kitten just uses my back for her joy. Creaky and nuts to deep with fathom. What's an odd drinking is? I'm more than a vacuum, you surely can see. I'm part of the chaos, I'm part of family. Portal of glass and see a new kingdom of sunshine and grass. Another machine working steady and green, the most curious creature I've ever yet seen. It stops on the lawn and I stop on the floor, and suddenly I'm not alone anymore. I rolled to the glass and what did I see? Not just my reflection looking at me. A flash of new colors so sturdy and green. The most wonderful robot I've ever seen. My world's turn magic, my circuits all sing. This must be that feeling that people call spring. The fire is blowing, the shadows are deep, with promises I was intending to keep. A magnet leaps on me, a final surprise, reflected right there in my tired blue eyes. My battery's fading, a soft blinking light. A message appears calling me through the night. My wheels are turning, a slow, gentle pace, to find my own bed, my own charging space. The dog and the kitten both watch me glide by, beneath the soft glow of the late evening sky. My humming now softens, my lights start to fade. Another adventure, another day.